Hi everyone. Today I would be giving you a little bit of information on can a data analyst become a business analyst or vice versa. So there's much of confusion when you have to switch from a data analyst to a business analyst, or you need to, or it's vice versa, or in case you want to move into a role that is a data analyst or business analyst. As we had seen in the previous video about who is a data analyst and who is a business analyst, what are their skill sets and responsibilities. If you haven't got to see that video, you can click on the link that is in the description box and you can view that video. So going into the question, can a data analyst become a business analyst or vice versa? The good news is yes. So in the previous video, we had seen the different skill sets that's required for a data analyst and a business analyst. So on overview, just to give you, in case you're a data analyst trying to become a business analyst, then you would have to increase your statistical problem solving skills and also the business degree. A business degree it will give you a little more added edge, and it would give you an advantage because you would definitely have the business knowledge, you would have certain skills of business management, you would have certain expertise and subject matter information on a particular industry or domain. So these are the little skill sets that you might want to develop when moving from a data analyst to a business analyst. And of course, it does take a lot of time and experience and years of experience in order to gain different other expertise that comes through years of experience. So once you are full-fledged, you will be able to move into that role. And similarly, if you're a business analyst and you want to get into a little bit of the data side, that is becoming a data analyst, or you want to go a little bit into deeper into data analytics, then you might find yourself getting a little bit technical and also trying to increase your problem solving skills. But naturally, you would be having problem solving skills if you are a business analyst, but you would also be requiring these skills for a data analyst or for a data analytics background. So if you're a business analyst trying to become a data analyst, so as I said, these are the different skill sets that's required. So you have structured query language, you have critical thinking, machine learning, data visualization, presentation skills, Microsoft Excel, Google Analytics, R or Python, statistical programming. So you might want to get little bit familiar with SQL, that is your basic queries. You needn't be very advanced. Basic queries would be enough for the start. You can also get yourself well versed with Tableau, Power BI. These are business intelligence, reporting and visualization tools. You can get yourself these tools. It's also, you have desktop versions, you have free versions apart from subscription plans. You can get them and you can start your analysis and visualization and reporting. Also, you can work with Excel and Google Sheets, which are very key for data analytics because that's where you actually get your data, you collect and you organize your data in order to do analysis. Also, having basic knowledge of R and Python would also be a very much useful and added advantage if you want to get into the data analytics side. Then also try doing some data analytics courses, and if possible, you can go in for internships in order to gain some experience. So moving on to a data analyst, if you want to become a business analyst, then as I said, these are the certain skill sets you'll need. So there is oral and written communication skills, analytical thinking and problem solving, interpersonal and consultative skills, organizational skills, being detail oriented and capable of delivering a high level of accuracy, knowledge of business structure and stakeholder analysis. So if you want to go into this side, then you might consider these type of skill sets and softwares that you might want to explore. So you have statistical analysis softwares, example as R and SAS. Then you also have Tableau, Power BI, which you might already be using as a data analyst, but still it's required for business analytics also. You also need to be familiar with Excel and Google Sheets, R and Python, and also try taking up some business analytics courses and also try attending some internships which might help you. Apart from this, you might also, as I said, you might want to consider going in for a business degree, business management degree. It can be either in computers, it can be in business management, it can be in any specific industry, but you can go in for anything which might be a added advantage. Next one is SWOT tools. If you don't know what is SWOT, it's called as strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So for business analysis, this is very much important in order to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats to business. So there are tools for that. So you can just go online and you can always start getting familiar with those tools. Apart from that, you would also might want to get familiar with project management tools, because business analysts sometimes might have to use them for business requirements, for tracking certain activities and tasks, etc. Also, there is a software called as Blueprint, which is used mostly for compliances. Then you can go with process modeling tools, because as a business analyst, you might be dealing with various business processes. So you would have to, be a little familiar with process modeling tools, and also data mining, because as I said, both a data analyst and a business analyst, they do deal with data, but the way they use this data to perform certain tasks and the outcome might vary. So these are the little skills and the things that you need to be familiar with in order to get little bit into the business analytics side. After saying, you have the business analyst skill sets, you have the data analyst skill sets. If you come to see, you would have certain skills and skill sets that keep overlapping with these two roles. So if you see, the common skills that are there is problem solving skills, SQL databases, then you have database querying languages, you have programming skills such as Python and R, data visualization, business intelligence, reporting software and communication skills. So definitely these are the overlapping skill sets between the data analyst role and the business analyst role. So if you're trying to move into or switch between these two roles, as I said in the video, you might want to consider looking forward to the skill sets and the tools that you would have to get familiar with, and then I think you'll be good to go, or to start off your career as a junior associate data analyst or a business analyst. You should be a little bit prepared for that. So this is it for this video, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.